Tulum, located on the eastern coast of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula, is a charming destination offering a unique blend of natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture. This picturesque island is becoming increasingly popular with travelers looking for a laid-back beach vacation with a touch of ancient Mayan heritage. One of Tulum's main attractions is its stunning beaches. With their white sand and crystal-clear turquoise water, Tulum's beaches are truly postcard-worthy. Whether you want to relax in the shade of palm trees or swim in the refreshing Caribbean Sea, Tulum's beaches offer idyllic conditions for sunbathing and water activities. Tulum's tourism industry has flourished in recent years, with travelers from all over the world flocking to experience its unique charm. From boutique hotels set amidst lush jungle to eco-friendly resorts focused on sustainability, Tulum's accommodation options cater to a wide range of budgets and preferences. As such, Tulum offers an enchanting blend of natural beauty, cultural heritage, and recreational opportunities for travelers looking for an unforgettable experience in Mexico. Its pristine beaches, breathtaking scenery, fascinating history, and warm hospitality make it an ideal destination for those seeking adventure and tranquility during their travels.